Hi dear students, welcome to 10th Maths, the chapter Quadratic Equations. In this class, we shall discuss the remaining problems in the exercise 10.3. Now, we take sixth one. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Find the sides of the field. Okay, dear students, just write down the sketch of the rectangular field. Here, let ABCD be rectangular field. AB and DC are the larger side, BC and AD are the smaller side. So let smaller side be X, BC equals AD equals X, and larger side will be X plus 30 AD and DC also X plus 30 according to question. Diagonal also it is equal to X plus 60, condition is given. So write down, let ABCD be a rectangular field. ABCD be rectangular field, and let shorter side be BC and AD. Therefore, BC equals AD equals X meters. BC and AD equals X meters. We take those two are shorter sides. AB and BC are the larger sides. Therefore, AB equals BC equals X plus 30 meters. Because condition is given, if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side will be taken as X meters. So here AB and BC are the opposite sides of the rectangle. We already know the properties of rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB and BC are equal here. So we take X plus 30, and diagonal is given. Therefore, diagonal DB is equal to, condition is given, 30 meters more than the shorter side. Rectangular field, the diagonal of rectangular field side is here, it's X plus 60 meters. Diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Okay. Next, we have to consider Pythagoras theorem. Here, it is the angle is 90 degree. Each angle measures in the rectangle is 90 degree. Okay. Next, here by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, here we consider triangle ABD. In rectangular ABD angle A is equal to 90 degree. In triangle ABD angle A equals 90 degree. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Therefore DB square or BD square equals AD square plus AB square. Put the values of DB square. Here DB is the diagonal, so write x plus 60 whole square equals AD. AD is x square plus AB. AB is x plus 30 whole square. Here x plus 60 whole square is there. I think you can apply a plus b whole square. Here x square plus 2x into 60 plus 60 square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 30 plus 30 whole square. Here it is 60 whole square. Here x square plus 2x into 60 plus 60 whole square. It is of the form a plus b whole square. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square. According to that, we just apply here. Next, x square is there, so write equals x square plus expand on according to identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of a, write x, and instead of b, write 30. Here x square plus 60 into 2 120x plus 60 whole square. 60 into 60, it is equal to 3600 equals x square plus 30 into 2 60x plus 30 square, 30 whole square, 30 into 30 900. Here in the LHS and RHS x square get cancelled. Now transpose LHS into RHS. Right here x square plus 60x plus 900 minus transpose 120x into LHS. It is minus 120x into RHS. It becomes minus 120x plus 3600 becomes minus 3600 equals 0. X square, here x square plus 60x minus 120x, bigger term has minus, so write minus 60x here plus 900 and minus 3600. You have to subtract here, it becomes minus 2700 equals 0. We get a quadratic equation x square minus 60x minus 2700. Now we solve by either by using factorization or by using formula. Now we solve x square minus 60x minus 2700 by factorization method. Multiply first term and last term, it is 2700 x square. We split these two. I think it is 90 and 30. 30 into 90. Here 60 is there. So when you subtract 30 by 90 we get 60. So here minus is there, so we take this sign for the bigger term. So I take minus and here plus. X minus into plus minus 90 into 30 2700x, and if we subtract minus 90x plus 30x we get minus 60x. Okay. Here x square minus, in the place of minus 60x we put 90x plus 30x minus 2700 equals 0. Group the terms and take out common. X take out common. X minus 90 plus 30 as common. Here x minus 30 into 90, 2700. Common factor x minus 90 into common outside the bracket, x plus 30 equals 0. Each term equals 0. X minus 90 is equal to 0, or x plus 30 is equal to 0. Transpose minus 90 into RHS, it is x plus 90, or x equals minus 30 plus 30 becomes minus 30. Here we consider only positive value. Length of the shorter side. Length of the shorter side equals x equals 90 meter. Length of the shorter side equals x equals 90 meter, and length of the larger side equals x plus 30 equals x is 90 plus 30 equals 120 meter. Shorter side is 90 meter and larger side of the rectangular field is 120 meter. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. This is 8th one. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. 1 hour less for the same journey if the speed is 5 km more. Find the speed of the train. Okay, we don't know the speed. Let we consider the speed be x km per hour. Solution. Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Next, total distance traveled. Total distance traveled equals 360 kilometer. Next, time taken to cover the distance 360 kilometer equals T is equal to 360 by x hour. This is time because time is equal to distance traveled by speed. We already shown the formula. Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Or just you should change here, t is equal to distance by speed. So right, t is equal to distance 360 and speed x. Here next, the speed had been 5 km per hour more than speed equals initial speed x. If the speed is increased 5 km, total speed equals x plus 5 km per hour. This is the speed. Unit of speed kilometer per hour or meter per second. Next, total distance traveled is 360 km. Already write down, already take down. Next, time taken to travel the distance 360 km. The speed is x. Time taken to travel 360 km equals t equals 360 by x plus 5 hour. Here hour 360 by x initial time, and after the speed is increased up to 5 km, the time taken to travel 360 km, t is equal to 360 by x plus 5 hour. Here another condition is given. If it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey if the speed is increased up to 5 km per hour. According to problem, according to question, right? Here speed is less, time is more. Here speed is more, time is less. So I take the difference 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. 1 is difference of time. Difference of time is 1 hour. It is given according to the question. We write 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equals 1. Now we consider the LCM of the denominator in the lectures. X into x plus 5, x into x plus 5. X get cancelled. It is equal to 360 into x plus 5 minus x plus 5 get cancelled. 360 into x, 360 x equals 1. Next, in the next step, in taking cross multiplication, here 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x by x into x plus 5 equals 1. Now simplify in the numerator. 360 into x, 360x plus 360 into 5. Can you tell the product? Yes, it is 1800 minus 360x by x into x, x square plus into plus 5 into x, 5x equals 1. Next, here plus 360 and minus 360x plus 360x minus 360x get cancelled. Now taking cross multiplication, write another step. 1800 by x square plus 5x equals 1. Now taking cross multiplication, x square plus 5x into 1, x square plus 5x, 1800 into 1, it is 1800. Next, transpose 1800 into LHS, it is x square plus 5x minus 1800 equals 0. It is of the form a square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now we have to factorize this expression. Multiply first term and last term. We get the product minus 1800 x square. Can you tell the factors? Two factors. If we multiply, you have to get this one, this product of first term and last term, and if we subtract middle term, yes, those are 45 and 40, right? Here x square plus, instead of 5x, I write 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Group the terms, take out x as common, x into x plus 45 minus 40 into x minus 40 into 45,800, it is 45 equals 0. Here minus is there, so minus into minus plus. Inside the bracket x plus 45 common, and outside the bracket x minus 40. Write once x plus 45 into x minus 40 equals 0. Each equals to 0. X plus 45 equals 0 or x minus 40 equals 0. X equals, now transpose plus 45 into RHS, it becomes minus 45, or x equals minus 40 becomes plus 40. Here we consider only positive value, so x equals 40. Therefore, speed of the train, because x equals 40 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the train according to the conditions. Hi dear students, in this class we shall discuss the problem 9th one in the exercise 10.3. Here, two water taps together can fill a can in 93/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Read the question carefully, and here already I work out here, just I explain you, just listen. As solution, the time taken by the smaller tap B x to fill the tank in x hours. Here smaller tap and larger tap can fill a tank together, and time is given. So we have no time, so we have to find that time separately here. So we take x for smaller tap. The time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank, x hours. First here we take x hours. Next, the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank equals x minus 10. Why we have taken x minus 10 here? Because it is given the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Condition is given in the question. Larger diameter tap takes 10 hours less than the smaller tap takes the time x minus 10. Next, the part of the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour. It takes x hours. Here already taken just x. So in 1 hour means here we will take 1 by x. Remember, here for 1 hour it takes 1 by x hour in 1 hour. In 2 hours 2 by x. In 3 hours 3 by x. Here they asked for 1 hour. So we take 1 by x. The part of the tank filled by the larger tap in 1 hour. Larger tap takes the time less than the smaller tap. It is x minus 10. In 1 hour 1 by x minus 10. Similarly in 2 hours 2 by x minus 10. Similarly in 5 hours 5 by x minus 10. This is very easy. Next, the time taken by both the tap to fill the tank equals 9 3 by 8. It is given. Once again, the time taken by both the tap to fill the tank equals 9 3 by 8. It is in mixed fraction. We change into improper fraction. 9 8 are 72 plus 3 75 by 8. Next, tank filled by the 2 taps together in 1 hour. Here, tank filled by the 2 taps together in 1 hour equals 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10. Together, here together the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour and tank filled by larger tap in 1 hour. So these 2 times we had here. It is together. The part of the tank filled by both the tap in 1 hour. We convert the given time into 1 hour. Here it is the time taken by both the tap to fill the tank is 9 3 by 8 equals 75 by 8. Here it is taken for 1 hour. 75 by 8 just convert into 1 by for 1 hour. Just we take the time for 1 hour. So it is just take down 1 by 75 by 8. This is simplified as taking the reciprocal 8 by 75 hours. Just take down this one. Here, according to question, we just write 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equals 8 by 75. Now, here simplify first the LHS by taking LCM. Here LCM of x and x minus 10, x into x minus 10. x1 by x1 get cancelled. X minus 10 into 1, x minus 10 plus x minus 10 get cancelled. X into 1, x equals equals 8 by 75 plus x 2x minus 10 by x into x square minus 10x equals 8 by 75. Taking cross multiplication, here 8 into x square minus 10x equals 75 into 2x minus 10. Next 8 into x square, 8x square minus 8 into 10, 80x equals 75 to the 150 x plus into minus 75 into 10 750 x. Next transpose RHS to LHS. 8x square minus 80x, here 150x, it becomes minus 150x, here it is minus, so here in the LHS it will be plus 750x equals 0. 8x square minus 80x minus 150x minus 230x plus 750 equals 0. Multiply first term and last term. 8x square into 750, it is 6000 square, 6000 x square. Split the product, 230 minus x into x square minus into minus plus 200 into 30, 6000. 8x square minus 200 x minus 30x plus 750 equals 0. Group the terms. Here take out common 8x, x minus 25, 8x into x, 8x square plus into minus 8x into 25, 200x minus 30, x common minus into minus into plus minus 30 into 25, 750 equals 0. Here common x minus 25 into outside the bracket common 8x minus 30 equals 0. Each equals to 0. X minus 25 equals 0 or 8x minus 30 equals 0. Next, x equals 25. Here minus 25 is there. Transpose on to RHS, it is plus 25. Next 8x equals minus 30. Here it is plus 30. Or x equals 25 or x equals 30 by 8. X equals 25, x equals 35 by 8. Therefore here consider only x equals 25. If you consider x equals 30 by 8, the time taken by the larger tab will be negative. So here only we consider 25 hours for smaller tab. Therefore, the time taken by the smaller tab to fill the tank equals x equals 25 hours. X equals 25 hours. It is the time taken by the smaller tab to fill the tank. Next, the time taken by the larger tab to fill the tank equals x minus 10, already taken in initial step. Here x value is 25. 25 minus 10, 15. 15 hours. Larger tab, we have taken the time to fill the tank. 15 hours. We have taken 10th one. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Take the solution. Let the average speed of the passenger train equals x km per hour. And condition is given, the average speed of express train, average speed of express train equals x plus 10, x plus 11 km per hour. Finally, we have to find the average speed of both the trains, passenger train and express train. So we have taken this one passenger train, average speed will be x and average speed of express train be x plus 11 km per hour. The total distance to travel 132 km. The time taken by passenger train is 32 by x hour. Do you understand this one? Here it is not 132 by x. Not 32. It is 132 by x because distance by speed. It will be the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. In the same way, just write the formula for time. Distance by speed, 32 by x hours. This is the time taken by passenger train. Similarly, time taken by express train 132 by express train. Total distance 132. So speed of the express train express 11 hours. When the difference between the time taken by two trains is 1 hour, difference of two trains will be the 1 hour. It is given when the difference between the time taken by the two trains is 1 hour, because here speed is increased, so here time is less. Time is more here because speed is less. So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equals 1. This difference is equal to 1. Now consider the LCM of the denominator x into x plus 11. Here take out LCM x into x plus 1. Now x get cancelled. So 132 into x plus 11 minus x plus 11 get cancelled. This 132 into x here minus 132 into x equals 1. 132 into x, 132 132 into 11, 1452. Try yourself. Plus into plus plus 132 into 11, 1452 minus 132x by x into x, x square, plus into plus plus 11 into x, 11x equals 1. Here plus 132x and minus 132x get cancelled. Remaining 1452 by x square plus 11x equals 1. Taking cross multiplication, x square plus 11x into 1, x square plus 11x equals 1452 into 1, 1452. Transpose into LHS, x square plus 11x becomes minus 1452. Now solve this expression. Okay, now factorize x square plus 11x minus 1452 equals 0. Consider the product of first term and last term, and we split the product minus 1452 x square. We get the factors of 44 and 33. Here 11 is there, so we take plus for the bigger term plus 44x and minus 33x. Just cross check yourself. X square plus 44x minus 33x minus 452 equals 0. Instead of plus 11x, we write plus 44x and minus 33x. There is no change. If you simplify these two, you get plus 11x. In the next step, we group the two terms. Here take out common x. X into x square, remaining inside the bracket x plus 44. X is right outside the bracket. Here common minus 33. Inside the bracket, minus into minus plus x is remaining thing. So minus into minus plus 33 into 44, 1452. Inside the bracket common x plus 44 into x minus 33. Here it is, here x plus 44 and x minus 33 equals 0. X plus 44 equals 0. X minus 33 equals 0. Each equals to 0. Transpose 44 into RHS. It is equal to minus 44. Or x minus 33 equals 0. Transpose 33 into RHS. It is equal to plus 33. X equals 33. So negative. Here minus 44 is negative. We have not taken minus. The speed cannot be negative. It must be a positive. Speed is positive, so cannot be negative. The speed cannot be negative. Therefore, the average speed of passenger train 33 km per hour. So because we consider it as x equals 33, we take positive value. Passenger train speed is 33 km per hour. The average speed of the express train equals 33 plus 11, because in the initial step we take x plus 11. So here 33 plus 11, 44 km per hour. Okay, dear students, in the exercise 10.3, the last problem is there, 11th one. Try yourself. Okay, in the next class will be discussed nature of the roots. Okay, thank you.